This is day whatever of the quarantine, and another video. One of my patrons asked me to show some more stuff on how I do the 3D modeling in a 3D printer. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. Tobor, he's supposed to have a little thing that he gets, and it's called the transport something or another. Find out in a minute. So let's build one of those. This is
Randi's Robot Garage.
Okay, so here we are at the old robots website. It's one of my favorites. And here's what I want to make. It's this support module right here. Okay, so I need to know how big this thing is. I measured on the robot, Tobor, and this handle, from the top of this handle to the bottom, needs to be about 60 millimeters. So that's what I'm going with, 6 centimeters right there. Alright, so I downloaded this picture. I now have it in here, and I scaled it so that from here to here is 60 millimeters. So I need to know this distance right here. So we just use Pythagorean's theorem. So I'm going to do the same thing here and go, I need this distance from here to here is 43.1. Here, from here, I think it's just 27. Alright, so we'll go with 27. Alright, so the program I use is Blender. It's free, and it's free, and it's like what I learned on, because I learned to do computer graphics first, so there is some setup. Let's see. Yeah, you have to do the unit scale down here. You have to bring it to 0.01. Alright, so 46 by 44. Alright, so we're going to add a plane. The dimensions are 44 millimeters, 46. So now we got to zoom in. Alright, so there's the bottom footprint. Go ahead and reset the scale so that the scale over here says 1. We're at 0, 0, 0 at the very center of our world. And the first thing I want to do is extrude, so we'll bring this up. Alright, so this is this bottom lip here. Then I'm going to extrude again, but I'm not going to move it anywhere, and then we'll scale it down. Let's see what that looks like. So I can turn on the length here, and it'll show me my lengths. So when I extrude, I want to go up to 27, which is going to be 2.7 centimeters. There it is. So I'm getting close to my box. There's these little slots in there. And then this looks like it kind of maybe fits in there. And I'm going to have to make mine this way because I don't want to 3D print this out like this, because I'll have to build supports for this beam up here. I don't want that. Now I'm just going to grab these edges here. So we need to grab this as well. So all of this. Subdivide 6 times. And grab these planes. Alright, so extrude. Don't do anything. I'm just going to scale them down. Don't want to scale them on the x-axis, so just the z and the y. Pull this down some. Okay, and I'm going to grab these because these are slanted. I want them flat. I want to go scale, 0, nope, z. Just on the z-axis. So now they're flat. Alright. You see this one's pretty rounded, so let's do some rounding. These guys here. Alright. So we'll bevel these. Alright, so getting closer to this. Alright, so if we go straight this direction, put it in the points, grab all these up here, okay, like that, push-pull on the y-axis, tilt it in just a hair. It's at 2.95, so scale it to the Z back down. Here, 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 here. Just grab these edges. Alright, subdivide all these right here. Can go away. Those can go away. I'm gonna grab all of these. Scale Z 0. Alright, so now they're flattened out. Alright, so I'll just do these, fill that in. There. Fill that in. Here, here, fill that in. Get these and fill that in. Alright, so there we go. So, back to the picture. That goes pretty far down, so I'll grab this and this. Get my arrow and move it down. Alright, I'm going with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna duplicate it, and I want this plane, this plane, this plane, and this one, and this one. And now I'm going to inverse the selections and delete all of those and bring the module back. Alright, so I should have probably kept that plane there. There. Okay, so here, all these, here to here. Again, scale 0, Z0, okay. And we'll raise these up. Let's go here, let's fill these in. You can see it looks kind of weird, so need to recalculate the normals. These need to fill out. Let's see, here, 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 here. Okay, all these need to extrude up. Come in, these gotta merge. Okay. Here to here, merge, here to here, merge, here, here to there, last one, that's what it needs, okay, here, 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 alright, so, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to subdivide this out, extrude those, and then push and pull these on here, fill that in, and just merge these things. There we go. Alright, so that's what it is. That's what I want. Okay. So, get rid of the handle for a second. Click on this one. Go to Export STL, selection only. Scale it up to 10. Box. There you go. Exported. Now, and get rid of that. Turn this one on. The handle. Okay, first of all, redo to there. Rotate on the Y 90 degrees. Okay. Yep, that'll work. export that as the handle. Alright, so now we're into a slicer. I gotta pull up this Tobor module box, module handle. There we go. And that's still. Alright, so we'll go to the slicer. Let's go 35%. As low as I can get it. Alright, so now I'm going to save to my SD card. Right here. Okay, it's about to start. Clean the nozzle. This piece that I'm peeling off here is called the brim. I also like to do what I call burnishing. And now I take sandpaper to it. So now I'm going to take acetone and just kind of rub it on there. So that's a perfect fit. So now I need to glue it. Alright, I'm out in my shop now. Just going to use some flat black. Now I'm going to use some of this satin. So I printed off some of the decals for it, and I got some of this peel and stick laminate. There it is, the creation of Tobor support module and a look into how I do my 3D modeling and 3D printing. Thanks for these people right here. They're patrons, blah, blah, blah. They go to Patreon, the like, blah. That's it. Another one down. That was
Randy Robot Garage.